Today we're going to be disturbed by road noise and having a look at these. DAZLITE / PIFCO Pierrot and Snowmen lights. So this is an ongoing project. I've had these for a little while now. I do have a set of PIFCO Pierrot and Snowmen lights. I put them on one of my trees along with a set of PIFCO candle lights. I will do a video on them another day. I'm not going to take them off the tree because they're tree specific lights, so they can sit right. I've had them on that tree for a long time now and I quite like the way they look, so they can just stay there as more of a decorative set of lights. Pierrot and Snowmen lights, they're quite old. On this box they're model number 1239, and on the PIFCO box they are the same. This is not unusual. As we've mentioned before, some makers have made lights for one company and then they've also sold them under a different name. We've gone through it all before. You can see the boxes are very similar in design. These are very early 60s, I would say. There's a link up here if you want to look at some lights that are the same but made by multiple different people or branded under different people. Bought these really cheap quite a while ago and they came as a pair. So here's the funky box. Foreign, in other words, made in Hong Kong. The vague voltage as well. There's your particulars. When required or obtainable from your usual dealers, ask for 13-volt Lilliput lamps. This must have been before they standardized. I mean, you can see here use on AC or DC, so it was before they standardized the bulbs to 12-volt 1.1 watts for the normal bulbs and 12-volt 1.0 watts for the fuse bulbs, on set of 20 that is. This one is exactly the same. Both boxes are in great condition. They are both missing their film window. Put this one to one side. If considering how old they are, they're in okay condition. I've had a go at trying to fix the little characters inside. They were quite a mess. So you've got these little snowman figures. They're just little silk baubles with a little, looks like a papier-mâché head, got a little felt hat, pipe cleaner arms, little bow tie, surprised look on their face, ooh, and they sit there holding their little bulbs. And then you've got the Pierrots or Pyrots, however you want to say it.
Pierrot.
Now these are supposed to be red, but as you can see they're very faded and they've turned orange. There's the green. So they alternate between a Pierrot with a red hat and a red body and a Pierrot with a yellow hat and a green body, whereas all the snowmen are the same. Looks like they came with multicoloured bulbs. Now on the ones I've got on my tree, I just had green, red and clear bulbs, and I put the green bulbs on the green guys, red bulbs on the red guys and the clear bulbs on the snowmen, and I think it looks pretty good, and I might do that with this one. Now I'm trying to remember which one of these is the one I've tried fixing. To be honest with you, I might have another set somewhere. There's some black tape on these bulb holders that needs to come off. Don't think we'll be lighting these today because again, they're untested and they need a bit of work. They go in a circle, they don't go in a straight line. My set on my tree I have converted to run in a straight line by getting similar gauge cable and braiding it by hand. It took a hell of a long time, but I think it was all worth it, so it goes in a straight line. This set is in slightly, well, I was going to say the characters look like they're in slightly better condition, but this guy's been completely mauled and destroyed by a cat. He's missing an eye, one-eyed Willy. But we can replace his little body with another silk ball. I'm sure I've got one somewhere. Yeah, so they've been attacked by cats. No bulbs. I think we can get them going again and fix them up a bit. Yeah, so I seem to have made a mistake here because I've got a set that I'm partially through restoring and it's not one of these, so I seemingly have 4 sets of these for some strange reason and I don't know why. But this is a future project. We'll go through these and we'll get them tidied up. Those little these little plastic cups are what go on the, I don't know why, but they go inside the bulb holders. The bulb holders are very small and very delicate. Got the brass screw cups with teeth on that bite into the plastic, and they've also got the berries to hold them onto the branches of the trees. 2 tied sets of lights, but I think we can breathe new life into them. And I'll also dig out the other set that I'm partially through restoring. They're all in questionable condition, but when you consider how old they are, you know, they're 60 years old, because there is a set on eBay at the moment and it's ridiculously priced, but it is in good condition. But we'll get back to them another day. But yeah, just thought to share this little project with you. We'll have some follow-up videos of us doing some work on these and getting them going, and I'll go through the set that I've already got on one of my trees. That's it for this one, and I'll catch you on the next one.